Rigid is the #1 name in press tools, the first choice of professionals who demand reliability, performance, and maximum productivity. Our latest innovation is built to impress, the RP340 press tool. Weighing in at just 8.3 pounds with battery, the RP340 is 17% lighter and 30% smaller than its predecessor, the RP330B. It offers the same powerful output of 7,200 pounds of force and an extended service interval of up to 42,000 press cycles between scheduled tool maintenance. That's 30% longer, allowing you to maximize uptime on the job site. With its compact size and powerful output, the RP340 is the industry's lightest pistol grip press tool with a 4-inch capacity. The RP340 features an easy-to-handle pistol grip design with a barrel that rotates 270 degrees for easy access to hard-to-reach connections. The RP340 utilizes Rigid's standard series jaws, ring kits, and accessories, allowing you to make connections on more materials and more sizes than any other press tool. For pressing copper and stainless steel fittings from 1/2 inch to 2 inch, use Rigid standard jaws and rings for ProPress. To press PEX fittings from 1/2 inch to 2 inch, use jaws for PureFlow. And 1/2 inch to 2 inch fittings for black iron pipe in schedules 5 through 40, use jaws and rings for MegaPress. For larger connections, 2.5 inch to 4 inch, use the XLC press rings for copper and stainless steel fittings, or the XL press rings for bronze fittings. Press rings also provide greater access to connections in extremely tight places. Once connected, the patented ball tip actuator jaw achieves an additional 180 degrees of tool rotation. Beyond pressing applications, the RP340 is capable of cutting 1.5 to 4 inch no-hub and surface weight soil pipe with a press snap soil pipe cutter. The RP340 is powered by the advanced lithium battery platform Rigid employs for its entire press tool line. A corded AC power adapter is also available. With a full charge, the RP340 can deliver more than 400 presses, allowing you to work quickly and maximize productivity. Indicators alert you when the tool's battery is low, when it's operating outside acceptable temperatures, or when it needs service. Industry-exclusive bolt sensor technology ensures the jaw is securely connected to the tool before a press cycle is initiated. To confirm a good, consistent press every time, the RP340 incorporates an internal microprocessor that monitors performance through cycle completion. And of course, the RP340 is backed by the lifetime warranty that's standard on every Rigid press tool, as well as 24/7 product and field support. Legendary reliability, ultimate productivity. The all-new RP340 lets you take on even the toughest jobs with confidence. To see why Rigid's press tools are #1 in America, visit rigid.com/pressing.
The ultimate in versatility and gripping power. The Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench combines the secure fit of an adjustable wrench with the torque and clamping power of locking pliers in one tool. Smooth action adjustable jaws open for larger sized fasteners, and serrated teeth provide a non-slip grip. To use, adjust the jaws to a fastener and clamp the locking pliers. The jaws lock tight and double the gripping power, even on rounded fasteners. Now you can apply more torque without slipping. The quick release makes repositioning fast and easy. A chrome finish resists rust and corrosion. The laser etch scale makes size adjustment quick and easy. And a dual material handle maximizes comfort and control. Visit CrescentTool.com to learn more about the Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench.
The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of screwdrivers. Sure, you can zip in or remove a screw with ease, but you can also light an area, strip and bend wire, and detect a live circuit all in the palm of your hand. The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver has a forward-reverse ring that activates with a simple twist. Once activated, the LED lights turn on, illuminating your work. When not in use, the spindle locks and can be used like a manual screwdriver. A circuit sensor is located at the front of the tool. Press the voltage detection button and place the sensor within 1 inch of a switch, outlet, cord, or fixture to see if it is live. A light and a buzzer will let you know if electricity is present. An integrated wire stripper makes short work of taking off an insulation sleeve, and wires can be bent using the bending slot on top. Take the guesswork out of any electrical project and use a rechargeable screwdriver that just does more. The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver. Hammerhead. Work smarter.